Hello students, welcome to RK Knowledge channel. 9th standard Maths 2 8th chapter Trigonometry. Trigonometry में 8.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में सेकेंड क्वेश्चन sin theta is equal to 11 upon 61. We have to find cos theta and tan theta. Solution: sin theta is equal to 11 upon 61. Sin theta formula is opposite side upon hypotenuse is equal to 11 upon 61. To find opposite and hypotenuse, we will draw triangle. Triangle name always write ABC. To not get any confusion, always write triangle name ABC. And downside theta. Near C, you have to write theta. Theta opposite is AB. And 90 degree opposite is hypotenuse AC. And remaining side is adjacent. Means BC is adjacent. Now student, put the name. Opposite is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Is equal to 11 upon 61. Now convert in ratio style. AB is to AC is equal to 11 is to 61. Now let original value for AB. For AB we will assume 11K. We will join K for making original. AC is equal to 61K. Now show in figure. AB we assume 11K and AC we assume 61K. Next page we will find BC. Here check in the figure, BC is absent. To find BC, we will apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse you have to take first AC square and remaining sides AB and BC. So AB square plus BC square. AC value is 61K whole square, AB value is 11K whole square plus BC square. 61 square is 3721 K square, 11 square is 121, K square is K square plus B square. Take 121 K square left hand side, it will become minus is equal to BC square. Subtract, you will get 3600 K square is equal to BC square. Now take square root. 36 square root is 6 and 00 square root is single 0. And K square root is K. So BC we got 60K. Show in the figure BC is 60K. Now find the unknown ratios cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is BC and hypotenuse is AC. BC value is 60K and AC value is 61K. K cancels 60 upon 61. Now tan theta formula is opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is AB and adjacent is BC. Values AB is 11K and BC is 60K. K cancel, 11 upon 60 is your answer. Now students, question number 2 from exercise 8.2 means it is exact number 3. Question number 3 of second part. We have to find sin theta, cos theta, tan theta is given 1. 1 we can write as 1 upon 1. Tan formula is opposite side upon adjacent side, 1 upon 1. Draw triangle to get names. Always I said to write A, B, C. Triangle names we written ABC. Near to C vertex you have to write theta degree. Theta you have to take. Now opposite to theta means theta के सामने AB will be opposite and 90 के सामने AC will be hypotenuse. Remaining side will be automatic adjacent. Now student put name opposite AB and adjacent BC. AB upon BC is equal to 1 upon 1. Convert it into ratio style. AB is to BC is equal to 1 is to 1. Now original value, to give original we will join K that means 1k, AB is equal to 1k and BC is equal to 1k. So show in the figure, AB we got 1k and BC also we got 1k. Now next page we will find AC. Student, AC we have to find out here. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC we don't have. AB value is 1k and BC value is again 1k. AC square is equal to 1k square is 1k square. So AC square is equal to 1k square will become 2k square. Now take square root. AC square root is AC. 2 square root is not there. So root 2 k. Root 2 and k. So AC we are showing in figure root 2 k. Now student, find the unknown ratios. Sin theta opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Means AB value 1k, AC value root 2k. K cancel, 1 upon root 2 is the answer. Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Now BC value is 1k and AC value is root 2k. K cancel, 1 upon root 2. So this way we completed third question. Now students, 8.2 question number 1, fourth part we are taking. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Sin is given, so we have to find cos and tan. Solution, sin theta is given 1 upon 2. Sin means opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite side upon hypotenuse is equal to 1 upon 2. Let's draw the triangle. Triangle name I said ABC. A, B and C. Now theta opposite will be AB. Hypotenuse opposite 90 degree is AC and remaining side is adjacent, that is BC. Now put names. Opposite we got AB, hypotenuse we got AC. It is 1 upon 2. Now students, convert it into ratio style. AB is to AC is equal to 1 is to 2. Now give real value. To give real value we will join K. So AB is equal to 1K and AC is equal to 2K. Show value in the figure. AB is equal to 1K and AC is equal to 2K. Now we have to find BC value. So next page, by Pythagoras theorem we will find BC value. To find BC value in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. Yes student, hypotenuse is AC and remaining sides are AB and BC. So AB square plus BC square. AC we have 2K whole square. AB we have 1K whole square plus BC square. 2K square is 4K square. 1K square is 1K square plus BC square. 1K square transfer left hand side. So 4K square minus 1K square is equal to BC square. After subtraction you will get 3K square is equal to BC square. Now take square root. 3 root is not there, so write in root sign. Root 3 K is equal to BC. So BC is root 3 K. BC we shown in the figure root 3k. Now the remaining ratios we are finding. Cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is BC, hypotenuse is AC. BC value is root 3k and hypotenuse AC value is 2k. K cancel, root 3 upon 2. Similarly we will find tan theta opposite upon adjacent. Opposite name is AB and adjacent name is BC. AB upon BC. AB we have 1k and BC we have root 3k. So k cancel, 1 upon root 3 is the answer. Students, we completed 3 questions of 8.2. They were very nice. Like and share the video to your friends. Subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.